Alright guys, welcome to another video. I am going to make this video as short as possible because I'm not feeling the best right now, and the reason there hasn't been a weekly outlook video was because I didn't really see anything interesting in the markets. Yes, I could have maybe pointed out some things that I was watching or something like that, but yeah, honestly I didn't see anything that interesting at the time. But right now it's Thursday. This is a weekly outlook video, but an intra-week update at the same time, because I mean the week is ending tomorrow. So on NASDAQ, I'm expecting us to trade into this gap, reject from there, and push up to the all-time high. The same or similar applies to S&P 500. We have a BC there. I expect us to, we've already tapped into it. That was the SMT divergence that we had for now between NASDAQ and ES. So I'm expecting ES to just actually push to the all-time high without retracement back into this gap. It doesn't have to, it can, but it can, it could return back to this BC. So yeah, I'm looking for all-time high on NASDAQ and S&P 500. When we move over to dollar DXY, I'm actually in a bit of a weird spot with dollar right now. When we measure the main range from last year's low in September all the way to this year's high, this main range, we can see the 50% mark, the 0.5%, 0.5 area right there is, I could say, almost perfectly aligned with the monthly BC, right? On the monthly time frame, we have this buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency, this monthly bullish fair value gap, right? So it's perfectly aligning with this monthly gap, making me think this could be the drawn liquidity for us to continue higher, right? So when we go down to the weekly time frame, for example, we can already see we have some sort of like an immediate rejection right there, an immediate rebalance where we hit the bottom of the previous candle and reject quickly away from it. So we could see this low, this swing low tagged, and the monthly fair value gap. On the daily time frame, we are already respecting this bearish PDRA, which is this bearish CB gap, this bearish fair value gap. So we could see price spool down to the sell side liquidity. At the same time, I'm not a big fan of this specific scenario, because everybody is literally looking for this sell side liquidity to be tagged. Everyone wants to see this, so everyone is bearish on dollar, which makes me think we might actually end up being bullish, right? Because everybody wants to see this right now. What if they decide to run up and clear these equal highs aggressively without giving much of a retracement, right? That's a possibility, so that's something to keep in mind because of sentimental analysis. So that's my view on the dollar. That's my view on NASDAQ, which is the indices, the US stock indices. Of course, the opposite happens with GU and EU, but that's all I have for now. So yeah, stay safe, good luck, and good trading.